Hallihallo, Jay. Now we're right at the border to North Macedonia. We're still in Albania because we need to wait for the green card for the car. His friend have it, so yeah. And he's helping with the people.
I think what's that called?
It's YouTube. But I do YouTube and TikTok both.
You're famous on YouTube now. YouTube star.
Not yet. Yeah, it's really nice here. It's a nice place. Fun. We had some food and very, very good internet, and that's the most important thing right now because I have so many videos to upload, and at the last camping spot the internet was so slowly I couldn't even upload one video. So it's nice to have it here right now. It's like we need to wait here, so yeah, it's perfect. I see, sweetie, you are really helping me with that, so thank you. And that means, I know, what does it mean? It means that you want to help me at my mission, you help me with my mission, and that means finally I will reach you, and I think I will reach you in this life because that's my mission. So when you help me, it must be successful. It's really sweet because with all this help you're telling me, you will reach me, you will reach me. So thank you for that because it's really amazing, and I see more and more your sweet little signs. And for the ones who don't have the luck to have a spiritual master in their life, I can tell you it's the most amazing thing which is possible to have on this planet. So makes life really nice and interesting, and like a big adventure, big journey to love and to just follow the other way, not the way of your mind, follow the way of your heart. And the master is the master for that. He can really guide you or go deeper into yourself and follow him, find him inside of you. It's really amazing, and I love this trip now because we will go to North Macedonia to another lake and camp there, and hopefully we can go swimming because it's really hot, and make a fire again. Hopefully we will see how the routes are there, because here in Albania it was really nice to just have freedom. So I wish you a very nice day. Take a deep